Look at that
Wait,
one.
there's a man! There's a little guy behind you with blue shirt and blue shoes!
What are you talking about?
A red cat! Oh my goodness, there's a red guy! Look at his face!
It's gotta be more cowbell.
Hey, Elias, you just wanted to come here and look at the cows, and now you're already ready to go.
Well, I only saw the gold. I want to see it.
Keziah's in the midst of a root canal. How's it feeling, ya?
It's gonna start sneezing.
You have to speak in Italian to them. They don't speak English.
Mom, look, that's where they clean them.
Ezzy, you have to speak Italian to them.
Ooh, look at that green piece come out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, push it out, sister.
Do you realize this video is on?
Oh, I like that sound. It's so cool.
Oh yeah? Wow.
Is that a bowl?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Does it have a penis? Nope. Let's go. Okay.
Only the girls produce the milk, so these are probably all the girls.
He's mad. He's mad. What?
Ezra, you have some hay in your hair.
What?
Ezra has hay in his hair.
Okay. Which one would be the bowl? Because how could there be a bowl in there?
Well,
But this is where only for cows. No, I want to go get tomato. I want to get tomato. Yes.
No, you don't.
look how full of milk those udders are. Oh my goodness. Over here, look.
Now what you were
Look at those.
say?
It's almost milking time, probably.
Oh. What do you mean?
Talk about engorged.
Filled with milk on their boobies?
Yeah.
That's milk in there?
Yeah.
Look at-
Where do you think milk
That
come
nipple
from?
looks so red over there.
Yikes.
Oh. It looks like it bleeded.
Yeah.
It bleeded?
Yeah, look.
It bled?
Look at it, Mom.
I see it.
And look at that cow. He's so skinny.
She?
No, that cow.
Oh, look at that one with the cut in her underneath her tail. You see that?
Yeah.
Is it bleeding right now?
Mm-hmm.
Why does that
Yeah,
have a
that's
cut?
weird.
It's sad.